What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today I'm going to show you how I make these delicious hot honey chipotle wings in my air fryer. So guys, let's get started. So here I have some wings. I'm just going to cut these in half. I'm going to go ahead, remove the wing tip and cut it in half. Of course you can purchase this at your store already cut, but if you buy them like I did, you want to cut off the tip, and of course if you don't mind the tip, you could just leave them on. I'm going to go ahead and clean this, so I'm going to cut a lemon and I'm going to squeeze it, and then I'm going to rinse with cold water. Guys, you want to make sure the water is cold that you are rinsing your wings in. So I'm just going to slather this around, get it a nice rub, and I'm going to drain the water and then move on to the next step. Now that my wings is nice and clean, I'm just going to go ahead and use a piece of paper towel to pat dry and remove some of the excess liquid from the wings, so that when I'm seasoning I don't have a lot of water in the bottom. Now I'm going to add some olive oil. Now the olive oil is to make sure that the powdered seasoning that we are using stick to the chicken properly. I'm going to go in with some complete seasoning, some Cajun seasoning, some paprika, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. And of course guys, you could use whatever flavor profile you like. And when you're using the seasoning that I'm using, be mindful that these seasoning are salty and you don't want to salt your chicken, so add a little bit more seasoning and not the more salt, because we don't want to make our meat salty. We can add more salt, but we can't take it out. So I'm just going to massage this and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. And now it's time to air fry. So I'm just going to take some olive oil and brush it onto my air fryer basket. This is just to make sure that it doesn't stick. It's don't stick, but I'm going to take extra precaution by greasing my air fryer basket. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my wings in my air fryer. Now guys, when you're air frying, you don't want to overcrowd your air fryer. You overcrowd the air fryer, you're not going to have nice crispy textures. So it is necessary for you to do this in batches if you don't have enough space. So do it in batches, that way you will end up with crispy bits and not soggy. So don't overcrowd your air fryer, guys. Now I'm going to air fry this at 375 for 30 minutes, flipping halfway through at the 15-minute mark. In the meantime, I'm going to work on my sauce. So to my saucepan, I'm just going to go ahead, or my pan, I'm just going to go ahead and add some butter. And to that I'm going to add some minced garlic. And I'll be using the chipotle peppers, but mostly sauce. I might add a little bit of the chipotle pepper itself, but I'll be mostly using the sauce. Listen guys, this stuff is awesome. If you could get your hands on it, get some. It's really good. I'm just going to give this a mix to incorporate. We don't want to burn anything, we just want everything to infuse and just come together and taste nice. I'm just going to go in with about a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Now guys, you could add what you like or what you don't like. You could jazz it up and make it your own. There's no right or wrong way to making your own sauce for your wings. So I'm just going to combine this until it's nice and come together. And of course you could use a hand blender to puree this, but no, I'll believe in it just as is, and also taste and adjust. Now here I'll be adding a little bit of salt to balance out all that sweetness from the barbecue sauce and the honey. And now my sauce is basically ready, guys. If you have reached this far and you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscription button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Now here I'll be flipping my wings. Now I'm at the 15-minute mark and I'll be flipping these over. And of course, you're not just limited to 30 minutes. You could also, once the 30 minutes is done, if you have not reached your required doneness, it's okay for you to go ahead and add 10 more minutes, 5 more minutes, whatever it takes to reach your doneness. Everybody's air fryer is different. Now guys, I'm just going to go ahead and brush on that sauce on the wings. Now you could serve it up just as is like this, but I'm going to go ahead and brush on my wings, and then I'm going to show you how I plate this up. Now this is how my wings been looking like. Aren't they beautiful? So I'm just going to remove these from the pan. And yeah, basically our Chipotle hot honey wings is basically ready. And of course, because I can, I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle that sauce all over the wings. Ain't that a beauty, guys? That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Remember to leave me a comment down in the comment section telling me what you think about this video and give me a big thumbs up. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.